I'm going to be showing you how to install JCreator, a Java integrated developing environment. To do this, we'll need to download 3 main files, and then we'll go ahead and run the installation file, and then path the libraries to JCreator, and then finally we'll create a new project to test whether or not we installed everything correctly. So first we'll go to jcreator.com. Once you get there, you want to hover over the product tab at the top and click on download. You'll see 3 main versions, Pro, LE, and Classics. You'll likely want to install the LE version, but all 3 of them will install the same. It's going to ask you for a name and an email. This email is going to be where they send your download link to. And then go ahead and click submit. And then it should take a moment or two for the email to actually go through to your inbox. So in the meantime, we're just going to go ahead and download the other 2 files. To do that, go to oracle.com. Once you get there, hover over Downloads. And then look to the left and click on Java for Developers. Here we're going to want to download the JDK. You can do that by either clicking this top box over here, which says Java Platform JDK right below it, or you can go over to the right and you'll see JDK with a little download tab underneath that. So if you go ahead and click one of those, and it'll redirect you to this page, which has a few different builds. The first build you'll see is right now going to be the version 8, the 65th update for it is the current supported build, but there is a newer 66 update. So go ahead and click the accept license agreement, and then you want to look at the different operating systems it offers. You probably want to do the 64-bit operating system. Unless you have a 32-bit machine, then you want to go by the x86. But for us, I'm going to go ahead and click 64. If you don't know which version you need, the 32-bit one will work just fine for you. Now that that's downloaded, we're going to go back to the previous page. You want to scroll down to where it says additional resources. Here we're going to get the Java SE8 documentation. So go ahead and click that download link off to the side for it. We're going to go ahead and accept the license agreement here as well, and then click to download the zip. By now, our email should have come in. So just go over to your email and check your inbox. It should be an email from JCreator LE. And just go ahead and click the link, and then the download should start automatically. From here, we're going to go ahead and install your JDK. So if you click the executable that you downloaded first, you want to click Next. And then if you want to change the install location, you just click this little change tab here. And then you just move the different levels as you want, but we're going to go ahead and leave it where it is. And that should just take just a moment. And you want to click Next again. And this is installing the Java runtime environment. And then this screen just shows that you successfully installed the JDK. So go ahead and click close. Then you want to go to where your zip file downloaded to. And you're going to want to go ahead and extract that into the same folder that the JDK is in. Click extract all. Then you're going to browse. Then you want to find where you downloaded Java into. So for 64-bit, it's just going to be in this normal program files folder. Otherwise, it should be in a program by 86. And then click your JDK folder. And then click select folder down here at the bottom. It may ask you for administrative permission, so you just go ahead and click continue. And that should take just a minute or two. Now that you've finished extracting your documents file, you want to go ahead and run the setup. So just click on your JCreator trial setup. And you want to click next, accept the agreement, and click next again. This is going to confirm the install location. So we'll click next. And then it may ask you to, if you want to install or create the new folder. Click next. Create a desktop icon. And then this will just confirm your install decisions. You'll click install. And that'll take just a second or two. You'll go ahead and click finish and launch JCreator. And you may have to actually just click on the icon on your taskbar if it doesn't pop up automatically. And then we're going to just save settings per user. We're going to click next and click next again. Here we're going to want to browse our computer for the JDK folder that we installed earlier. Mine is located in my program files folder. It's going to be in the Java folder. It's going to be this JDK folder up here, not the JRE folder. It's going to be the JDK folder. Click OK. And then I'll click next again. And because I extracted the document folder into the JDK folder, it will automatically path itself in there. If not, just click browse and navigate to where you extracted it to. And then click finish. And then now we're going to go ahead and compile a Hello World program to test to see if we installed everything correctly. So we're going to click close. I'm going to close out of the start page as well. Then you'll go up to the top left and click File, New. And we'll make a new project. And we're going to create a new basic Java application. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Hello World. And then I'm going to click Finish. And click Finish again. Then here it automatically loads up the piece of code for you, so you can go ahead and click the build file up here, be the arrow on the left. And then click the Run Project arrow. And then down here, hello world prints out. And then process is completed. And you successfully installed JCreator.